uEdit text editing. First thing I'm going to do is zoom in on the area that I want to change. I'm going to take my selection. Notice there's a lock over top of it. Simply means I double click to get to the text itself. I'm going to select it, and the first thing I'm going to do is change fonts. Notice I then can change on some fonts. You're going to have different styles inside the same font. Also going to just simply type over and change the text. I think I want something a little bolder and heavier, so I'm going to change my font again. Change my size. And then change my color. Changing the color, I'm going to simply select the color here and then click off of it. Once again, I'm going to put my cursor where I need it. I'm going to add a trademark. Paragraphing. Let me bring this down a little bit in size so we can see. Okay. In paragraphing, you have a choice between left, centered, right, justified, and then I can change the positioning inside my text block. So I'm going to want to stay centered, and instead of top, I can go to the middle of the box or the bottom. I'm going to use middle for this. Now I'm going to select the object, and notice I get a different menu up top now. I'm going to choose to fill this object with black. I can also at this point put a border on it. For this next part of the demonstration, I'm going to fast forward to where I've already typed the information in. I'm going to take my first sentence. I'm going to bold it up a little bit, maybe make it a little bit larger too. Show it as a subheadline. I don't want the exact 18 point, I'm going to go to 16, so I'm just going to simply type that in. Take the rest of this and go to a white color. Items down here, I'm going to bullet. Notice the bullets. I can use round, open, round, square, diamonds. Now I'm going to zoom out, take a look at my page. After reviewing it, I've decided to add a quick text box. So I'm going to come over here and say Add Text. Draw the text box where I would like it, and simply type the information in. I'm now going to select my zoom tool and zoom in on the area. I'm going to turn my zoom tool off. I'm going to select the text, change the font, size, color, and then I'd like to rotate it. So I'm going to go to the object mode, select the rotate, see that my anchor point is where I would like it, and rotate it. I can now turn the rotate tool off, grab my text box and move it to where I would like. I'm going to zoom out. And now I can move on to the variable data portion of uEdit. Personalized variable data mail can be just a couple clicks away. I've selected a print and mail postcard. I'm going to select in front of the ready to sell and add a first name there. I'm going to select this drop down menu. and I'm going to scroll down to the recipient's first name. I'm going to add a comma and a space after recipient first name. Now I'm going to select all of it and reduce the size. So now your piece has that little bit of extra personalization that helps getting it noticed in the mailbox.